fantastic. Oh, fuck this. I can't sing. Anyways, it's Limbus Company. Face the sin, save the ego. What the fuck does that mean? Do I fight sinners? Wait, yeah, I played this game like a couple times yesterday. Fresh water. Yeah, that's on. I am my big fan. I am my biggest fan. I am my enemy. I can't fucking sing, so my singing, I'm. So, yes. When is this? Oh, I can update this. But I'm not going to. Catch a clue. Why can't I do that? What do you want? Oh my god. I'm gonna take a drive. I'm gonna drive. What the fuck? What the hell did you just... I'm just doing this because I don't want any of you to know it. Are these spoilers? Because if they are, I'm just gonna skip this. Whoa. Yeah, I only play this game because Gas Harpoon, Ergling. Tell me if I'm making the dumbest decisions in the comments. If they're at the comments. I'm just looking for something to do. What the fuck? Don, let's go. Don, I'm just gonna call you Don. Stagger! I was severed by my own hands. 25. You know what? I'm just gonna do that. There. What? Oh. God damn. Angry Hedgecliff. Where the fuck is that guy? Is he part of the team? Yeah. You know, yeah, I'm level 6. I'm not gonna say 6, 7 because that fucking number sucks.